Oh. नहीं हो रहा है.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Both hands, both hands, both hands.
I want to push myself to the boundaries and get out of my comfort zone. This is something which I have never done before, but it's something which really interests me and I really want to be able to do it. I'm extremely scared of heights and my knees go weak. So this is something which I'm really trying to overcome. And we are going to be climbing Friendship Peak tomorrow. By this time, we should have ascended by tomorrow, hopefully. Lessons in the Mountain 101. Check whether the side you're burning doesn't have paper when cooking. Walking up from the base camp to the advance camp. I can't believe I'm doing this. And I'm so happy I'm doing this. After my dog died last year, and he was the one who kind of pushed me to do things throughout. These hikes and treks were something which I wanted to do with him. So now I take him along with me, he's always with me. And we are going together to summit the peak. You can see a halo around the sun with rainbow. And for me, rainbow has always been Boomer, like watching over me while I do this.
वो बना हुआ है, ठीक है, पर अगर नहीं बना हुआ है तो ऐसे जाना है. नेक्स्ट है साइड स्टेपिंग. इसका इस शू का आउटर एज, दूसरे शू का इनर एज. एक पैर हॉरिजॉन्टल है और दूसरा टेढ़ा क्यों है? इसका आउटर, राइट का इनर. किक कभी अगर आप गिर गए तो ऐसे नहीं कि खुद को लग जाए. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. ऐसे लेके ये तो आप रुक जाओगे. तो एक हो गया सेल्फ अरेस्ट, राइट, जो तुम अपने लिए कर दिया है. हाँ, दिस यू विल गो. हाँ, वो इतनी टॉट नहीं होगी. लाइफ इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन कि थोड़ा सा गीले होगा, राइट. गलत है. अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस. हाँ, गुड. सो फार इट्स करेक्ट. एवरीवन हैज टू मूव ऑलमोस्ट एट द सेम पेस.
कल सिर्फ मेरा खाना बनेगा भाई.
Yes, yes.
Have been unwell for the last 2 days, so not really smart to push things when I have fever. So although it's unfortunate, I will have to go down.
I really hope we can climb tonight.
गुड नाइट. अलार्म लगाया किसी ने?
PM. Wow. Sun is out. When we woke up, few of the group members were not feeling too well. So it made no sense to attend the summit. So we cancelled the plan and now we have packed up and we are gonna leave. Of course, coming so close to the summit, but the fact that we are here, the fact that I'm here is for you, Booms. To be able to do this has been an absolutely mind-blowing experience. Especially for me, I felt extremely confident knowing that I had Boomer's energy with me all the while. Like, it literally felt surreal because I could feel him around me, giving me the strength that you can do this.
Come on.
I know I'll be back again for this. It's opened a whole new world for me. And looking at this in real life.
It's easy to fall than to go down slowly while taking a towel. Not so weird anymore. All the time in all the videos.
The feeling of losing someone so close to me, the grief will never go. But the strength which he left me with to live life like how he lived, full of zest and saying yes to everything and just being happy all over. And that's what I want to continue living with. Carry on the legacy of Boomer, the golden. That's my plan, to live life like how he lived.